Hello, I'm Joshua Paul. I will be discussing community policing. Presentation will be about my scenario topic, describing community policing, how to create community awareness, how to deal with property crime, dealing with traffic collisions and what to do to help stop drinking and driving, and also maintaining and developing relationships with the police service. My scenario I chose was number 1. Imagine all of you read scenario. If not, it's on our UR courses site. What is community policing? Community policing is seen to be a partnership between the police force and the people in the community. To be able to work together, police and people should be able to work to solve a problem and work towards solving neighborhood problems related to crime. Some principles of police work is based on key principles such as officers are the people who have sole responsibility for crime control. The role of the officers to carry out preventative patrol and rapid response times. In the scenario I chose, also in the paper, I have been told that the police don't really go out to foot patrol or bike patrol because they're too busy for other stuff. They should be willing to do this bike patrol on the streets to be more aware of what's happening in the community. To create community awareness and help decrease crime, some may say you can use social media to connect with the youth, or have the local government and or police service to have town hall meetings with the communities to update crime and look into solving or deterring crime. To deal with the property crime, in my scenario, I suggest that they have a community watch to watch out for people acting suspicious. And this can also help contact the police and stop crime faster than normal. Another way for police to stop crime is to also have hotspots around, to possibly have police officers at certain areas where there's heavier callouts to crime, or crimes that are more crimes that are happening more common than other areas. To deal with the increased traffic collisions, in the presentation it says to increase signage or increase road lighting to watch out for pedestrians in case people are drinking and driving. It's also better to call a taxi or have someone be a designated driver. Then how to maintain and develop community policing. One way is to improve current relationships between the locals and police service. That's just like having social media to contact the police, connect the police and the youth, and also having those meetings in the town hall with the local government. Collaborate with the community to ensure crime is deterred, and keep practicing community policing values to ensure safety for the environment. If there's any questions you want to ask, you can comment below or email me. And we're excited.